What's up, you guys? So I don't normally do unboxings, but this is the first time I bought like an entire set. I am a huge League of Legends fan. I played this game for over 10 years, and I have millions of points on Evelynn, and I play most of these characters that are on here. So I figure, why not get this blind box? It was half off for the week of Black Friday, and yeah, let's jump right in. Also, this isn't a paid collaboration. However, Riot, I want this. Like, me and you, we got to. There's a point where I've had like some of the most matches played in a year, actually within the world on League of Legends. I think there's a season that I had like the second most games in North America on Evelynn, and then like in the world, I think I was like six or seven with most played games. So Riot, like, anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna be one of those people who do like all those fancy edits and all the cuts, but all right. Let's see. I'm gonna start with this one. It should be one of every one of them, so. And hopefully this video isn't too long. I'll probably make a part 2 if anything. Alright, that would have taken too long. I like how I dropped it. Is this for like Yasuo or something? Alright. We got Ezreal. Definitely one of my favorite characters. Yeah, that makes sense. It's like a bow. That makes more sense. And then this is the figure with him set up. This is absolutely astounding. I wanted League of Legends figurines, but most of them are really expensive. So I'm really happy that this entire thing was half off. Alright, let's try and make this a little fast so you guys aren't looking at this forever. Yeah, that makes sense. A lot easier. Alright. Okay, this one's easy. Miss Fortune. I'm wondering if I should cut this video or... Oh my god, she's so cute. Yeah, I definitely think I'm just gonna do all of them in one. Might be a longer video, but I know like whenever I watch like those unboxing videos. Oh, and I just realized it came with these little cards. I almost threw this away. Holy crap. Just when I thought I couldn't get any better. My god, I'm so in love with this little thing. Oh, and then they also gave me like, this is like a little toy bag. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. And then like a little headband charm and a pin. But okay, let's get back to the unboxing. Popmart, if you're watching this, I also want to collaborate with you guys, so. Alright, let's see who this one is. It's Lulu! Definitely one of my favorite characters in the entire franchise. You can tell because that's Pix right there. Yeah. Oh my god. I love her so much. She's like just one of my favorite characters, like just ever, like out of anything. Like I love Lulu so stinking much. I can't even. And I've never played her as a support. I've always played her as a carry, and that pisses people off. I think I got this backwards. Okay, there we go. Oh, I forgot her staff. How could I? And then her card. Alright, and there she is completed. Alright. Let's go for this one in the corner. Maybe it's Yasuo. It's not one of my favorite characters, but he's pretty cool. Hey, I don't want to look at the card and ruin it. Oh, it's Lee Sin. I love Lee Sin. I think he's just a solid character all around. And then Lee Sin's card. It's funny, I wanted to start collecting cards. Literally, I just put the thought in my mind like yesterday. Because I'm like, I can start pulling cards and using them for divination. And here, as the universe would respond, this set is. Alright, who's this? Ashe. I think Ashe is a cool character. I don't know. I like League of Legends characters in general, even if I'm not like a huge fan of their concepts in general. Her little ice bow. The little arrow. Oh, she's so adorable. They did a really good job on this, especially all the details. And she has like a quiver of the arrows too. You can tell they put a lot of love into this. And then her holding it. So adorable. And her card. So I have like 2, 4, 7 more. So I'm going to kind of speed the process up a bit. Let's do this one. Uh-oh. Actually, we got Ari. I was really hoping I got like the secret version of her, but I love her initial or her like original colors, so I feel like it's definitely not a bad thing. I think you had like a 1 in 144 chance of grabbing her. I'll probably just end up buying it online at some point in the future, or maybe Riot will gift it to me. You never know. And then we have her card. So much love in this. Seraphine. Oh, okay, Diva. I'm gonna have so much fun making glitter potions with these. And her card. And we have Teemo. Another one of my favorite characters. And everybody's most hated at the same time. Don't know why I'm holding them so far away. I guess I should probably. He's so adorable. And his card. So we have Zoe, Jinx, Yasuo, and Yumi left over. And we get Yumi. Look at her. And her card. And we have... Holy crap, I did get it. Not what I was expecting at all. So now I'm really hoping I get Jinx and Zoe now. Those are really two of my favorite characters. So while I like Yasuo, I'd be kind of sad if I didn't get either of them. But I'm really happy I got this. This is definitely unexpected, especially since I had Ari already. Maybe they'll send it to me for free, who knows? And the card. Alright. Now I'm kind of really curious. We have Zoe. I love Zoe so much. Definitely one of my favorite characters again. The fact that she has heterochromia, just her entire lore and character design. Alright, so here's her card. And for the moment of truth, I really, really, really want Jinx. I'm going to be a little sad if I don't get her. And... Still definitely happy with the overall box. And I did get the secret. Like, I really wanted the secret too. I really wanted Jinx, but... And there we have it. And his card. Definitely really cool overall. I'm definitely happy with all of these. But I am so sad I did not get Jinx, so we gotta figure out a way to fix that.